Scam, and there could be another one. It could be now in Uttarakhand, because the BJP, a political party, has gone and stung the party's Uttarakhand Chief Minister Harish Rawat. The party claims it has a video in its possession that it aired at a press conference this afternoon that proves that Rawat and his personal secretary were allegedly involved in a liquor scam when the state was hit by the 2013 flash floods. Rawat denies the charge. Simi Pasha now reports.
The BJP demands that Harish Rawat instantly resign.
Team Modi has stepped up the offensive. Instead of buckling under Congress onslaught, the BJP has fired salvos of its own. After failing to get its point across in 2 days of the monsoon session, the BJP decided to take the news conference route to corner the Congress.
Public body Garhwal Mandal Vikas Nigam, which should have done this wholesale to retail distribution, was sidelined, and private agencies, at the convenience and pick and choose methodology of the Chief Minister and more of Mr. Mohammad Shahid, were brought on board.
Setting the cat among the pigeons, the BJP released a sting that claims the Uttarakhand Chief Minister's involvement in a mega liquor scam. The party alleges that Harish Rawat's principal secretary was involved in negotiating with powerful private alcohol agencies.
ये 60 दिन के अंदर ये किया गया ऑपरेशन, और सारी बातें साफ हैं कि सेक्रेटरी शाहिद साहब सब खुल के बातें कर रहे हैं कि आप मुख्यमंत्री से मिल चुके हो। देखिए, मेरी जो क्रेडिबिलिटी है मुख्यमंत्री के सामने ख़राब नहीं होनी चाहिए कि इतना सीनियर आईएएस इस तरह की बातें कर रहा है, तो निश्चय कहीं ना कहीं कुछ दाल में काला है.
Under fire from the opposition, which has been cornering the government on various fronts inside Parliament, the BJP on Wednesday sought to turn the tables on the Congress party after Uttarakhand Chief Minister Harish Singh Rawat's PS was caught on camera allegedly discussing bribe money with middlemen for granting of alcohol licenses in the state. The scam has definitely come as a breath of fresh air for the BJP, which will now look at the Congress party charge by charge.